Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our live trading session here at Trademy.com. I hope you have a nice day yesterday. We are here ready for our new trades, ready for you guys and ready for the markets. Will be an interesting day today. We had yesterday a really great day, guys. We closed $33,000 yesterday. $33,000 we closed yesterday. We still have two positions open and we will see how we will react on those two positions. So let me see who is with us this morning. It's Adrian, Anne-Marie. Hello, Anne-Marie. Fanos, Jeff, George, Jenna, Patrick, very nice. Nice to have you here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the trading session yesterday, and today we will have extra nice days. So, Anne-Marie, tell me how it's going. So now it's been a few days that you are with us, few times you visited our trading session. I hope it was some kind of improving your knowledge and seeing how you can apply the knowledge you get during the courses here with us. I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, today Germany is closed. As you know, Germany is closed today. It's the Unification Day from 1990. So it's the only real public holiday of Germany, and that's why DAX is closed. We will today trade Italy 40. Italy 40 opened with a huge gap and now it's dropping, and I feel like I have to go sell on Italy 40. I just went short on Italy 40, our first trade this morning, guys. Short Italy 40, our first trade. Let me see where we will put our take profit. So I will put my take profit on Italy 40 at 20,650. This is my take profit. We paid off already the spread. We are... What happened? Wait a minute. There we go. We paid off already our spread. And let's see. We will see how it will go. And hopefully we will get our profit soon. Also extremely interesting this morning is a gold trade. Yesterday gold gave us really nice profits. Okay, I'm selling gold as well, guys. I just sold gold. I just sold gold and I will put my take profit on gold at 1,200, 2.25. Oh, I'm making already $300 on gold. I'm making already $300. Let me see. Looks interesting. Looks nice. We are expecting some movements here and get some money in. These are our two trades this morning. Gold and Italy 40 for so far. DAX is closed today, UK 100. Let's see what's going on UK 100. Whoo! Guys, UK 100 is very nice. Another 6 months to go for the Brexit and still no reaction. So I'm going long on UK 100 and I will explain you why I go long. Look at this pullback. Look at this. And I just entered again a long position on UK 100. And I will put my take profit here at 7,520. 7,520 is my take profit. On gold, we are making already $800, guys. 1,300. On Italy 40, we are making $1,500, guys. Let's see Italy 40. Italy 40. We go for Italy 40. $1,500 on Italy 40. Guys, what do you think? Shall we close it? We are making right now $1,500 on Italy 40, and I will close it, guys. I just closed Italy 40 with $1,500 of profit, and we managed to close our first position for today. And we needed for this position 3 minutes, guys, 3 minutes, and we closed our first Italy 40 position with $1,500 profit. A nice one. Let me see if we have a pullback. I will go again on Italy 40. I'm getting ready again to enter Italy 40, guys. Let me see. I'm waiting for the next Italy 40 position for my next entry level. Okay, I see that we will have a small pullback here, and then I want to enter again. What's happening with gold, guys? Okay, gold is going back now. Gold went a bit back. Gold went a bit back, but we closed our first position with $1,500 profit. Good morning, Francis. Good morning. Nice to have you here. So, guys, today I will go again short on Italy 40. I'm going short on Italy 40, and I will keep this position for a bit longer. I want a bigger profit on this position. Okay, I want the position here too. How are you, Francis? I hope you had a nice morning. We already closed one position, and I put now the second position on Italy 40, and I will put here my take profit at 2,625. So we are short on Italy 40. We are long on UK 100, and we are short on gold. Short on gold. We had to close this position here. However, let's see. We closed our first position with $1,500 profit. I see that we might get a bit more from our gold trade. We put our take profits all over the place. So hope you could manage to open any positions. Right now gold is giving us $400 profit. Guys, I will pass in a short while to Kyriakos. He will update you about as he said already in our chat room, he will update you about the emerging markets and the Turkish lira, what's happening on Turkish lira and the inflation rate of Turkey. A very interesting topic. You should really follow it. So we are making right now $1,000 on gold. Let me see, 1,400, 1,400. There we go, 2,000. Okay, $2,000 and I will close this position, guys. $2,000 and I will close my gold position. $2,000 and I will close my gold position. Now it's dropping. Okay, leave it, and it will get there. I want some money. My target for today is again $10,000. I want a target today of $10,000. And I believe that we will get it. DAX is closed today, so we have a bit of a limited amount of indices which we normally trade. There are not that many today, but still I'm quite positive. $10,000 I'm expecting today. However, guys, let's see what we will have today on our agenda. So I'm checking on Forex Live what kind of news we are expecting today. So as you know, we update us. You can find always nice update on Forex Live. So we closed our first position, guys, with $1,500. We are short again on Italy 40. We are long on UK 100, and we are short on gold. On gold, we are making right now $1,400, but I'm aiming around $4,000 on this. Hello, Mary. Welcome to our live trading session. So, I'm expecting a bit more on this gold on Italy 40 positions, so I will leave them open. And let's see what we expect today, what is on our agenda. Forexlife.com, our partner. Okay, today on our agenda we have, as I said, Germany and China markets are closed, so we will face a kind of reduced volumes on the markets, especially due to the Chinese holidays. We will expect some reduction on the volumes. On gold, we are making $1,900 profit, guys. $1,900, $2,400. Our take profit is at $4,000, so close to our take profit. Francis, did you manage to open a position on gold, or it was too late when you entered? So we have in 16 minutes the service PMI of Great Britain, and then in 45 minutes we are expecting the retail sales numbers. And you know, on Friday is the big NFP day, guys. Big NFP day. We are expecting the NFP announcement on Friday in 2 days. It's a big moment. As you know, every first Friday of the month, we are expecting the NFP. So on Friday, have that in mind and pop up your accounts. So another very important thing to mention, guys, especially regarding NFP, until the end of this week, you have the chance to get 10% of discount if you upgrade your course. If you upgrade your course, you get 10% discount on the new price. So have that in mind. NFP on Friday is very important, so you should be able to trade on the NFP. What's going on right now? Okay. Nice. Okay. However, so NFP, have that in mind, guys. Also today in the afternoon, oil inventories. Yesterday we made some money on oil and on Brent oil. So this afternoon on Brent, during the crude oil inventories, I'm sure that we will make a bit more. Having said that, now I think it's the best time to pass to my colleague Kyriakos. He is here and waiting for his turn to update you about the emerging markets. As I said, this morning we had the inflation rate announcement from Turkey. It was 24%, 24%. And so he will update you a bit about that and how this inflation rate will affect currencies. I have now 3 positions open: Italy 40, UK 100, and gold. I will wait for them to develop. We closed already 1 position on Italy 40. Mary, you missed our Italy 40 position. However, guys, if you have any questions, please do use the chat function here and I will reply back. So, Kyriakos, do you have any nice updates for us?
Good morning from me as well, guys. Good morning. This is Kyriakos Hailau from the Forex Trading Desk of Trademy.com. So, as I have mentioned in the trading room before, it's now time to talk about emerging markets. So, I would like on my behalf to say good morning to any newcomers. I see that Oscar has just joined us. Good morning, Oscar. Good morning, Francis. Good morning, Fanos. Good morning, Anne-Marie, Adrian, George, Jeff, good morning, Mary, and good morning, Jenna and Patrick. If you watch some of our educational webinars and the 5 steps of intraday traders, one of the most important things, step number 1, is to read the news every morning and decide what is moving the markets. So when we wake up this morning, a sudden announcement was made which has to do with Turkey. And they had a 14.5-year inflation rate climbing up to 24.52%. Now, I'm using the website tradingeconomics.com, so let me also provide you with this website, tradingeconomics.com. It's a very reliable website for statistical analysis regarding fundamental announcements and fundamental indicators. Okay, so today we will have a look at what's going on with emerging markets and their inflation rates. If you recall the past, the crisis of 1987 started by the crash of the Indonesian currency. And since one of the major principles of technical analysis is that history repeats itself, I see no reason why this to be repeated. So for me, a global economic crisis is getting ready to get bigger, basically. So Turkey is just the start. And why am I saying that? By studying the numbers, we are getting on, unfortunately, on another huge economic crisis, which nobody can predict the actual results. I mean, some economists say that it will not be as bad as 2008. Some others say that it will be very bad. But let's see what the numbers are talking about. Before I start analyzing the charts of emerging countries, emerging markets, first of all, how many of you have heard again the term emerging markets? Have you heard it before, guys? Just type a yes or a no if you haven't heard about the word emerging markets before. It's not a bad thing to say no. We are here to learn and we are here to explain some things to you. So please type in the chat room if you have heard before the term emerging markets. Good morning, Alan, and welcome. So how many of you have heard before the word emerging markets? Francis says yes, okay. What about others? What about Anne-Marie? What about Oscar? What about Mary? What about Jeff? Guys, have you heard again the word emerging markets? Okay, Francis, since you have heard emerging markets, not that much. Mary says not that much. Francis says yes. I will explain shortly. So, Francis, since you have here, Anne-Marie says no. Great to have your participation, guys. So, Francis, since you have heard the word emerging markets, and it doesn't matter at all if you are wrong in your answer, when you hear the word emerging market, what is the first thing that is coming to your mind? Emerging markets. Money. So what is the first thing that is coming to your big movements? For me, guys, when I hear emerging markets, it's not developing countries. Developing is something between developing and developed. They are no longer using the word developing or third world countries in economics. So it's somewhere in between developing and developed. And in this group, we have a great number of countries. Like we have, for example, the BRICS. What do I mean by BRICS? I mean Brazil, Russia, India, China. We have also Eastern Europe and Turkey. Okay, when I say Eastern Europe, I mean Romania, Bulgaria, Greece. Cyprus is not included because it's a very small economy. Eastern Europe, guys, the Balkans basically, and Greece. And then we have Bangladesh, Egypt, Indonesia, Iran, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan. So the so-called CIVETs, Colombia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Egypt, Turkey, and South Africa. So there are a number of countries that are included in this group. Now, the important thing about these countries is that they share one thing in common. And that one thing in common is usually either the inflation rate or the growth rate. So in times of prosperity in the markets, emerging markets tend to show bigger profits than the developed economies. Now, as I said today, the Turkish inflation rate was announced at 24%. I'm watching now the chart that has data about inflation rate of Turkey since 1970. And as I said, one of the major principles of technical analysis is that history repeats itself. Back in 1970s, the inflation rate of Turkey was even below zero, called deflation. Deflation refers to the economic term where the actual prices of basic goods, instead of increasing, they are decreasing. So when we have deflation, we mean decreasing prices on basic goods and necessities. In economics, we use three words. We have the inflation, where prices are increasing. We have the deflation, where prices are decreasing. And we have the so-called disinflation. Disinflation, it means that the prices are increasing, but at a very slow rate. And also we have the word stagflation, where everything is stacked. Nothing is increasing, nothing is decreasing. Now, from 2008 towards 2017, we have been in a disinflation phase. Disinflation, it means that the inflation was very low and the prices of basic goods were not increasing at a satisfactory rate. Hence, that's why the central banks are fighting yet to get a 2% inflation rate target. Now, what we observe here on the chart, back in 1970s, the inflation of Turkey was almost at zero, went up to 140, and then around 2005 came back close to zero. And the important thing is that it was steady for a number of years. Now, technically, what I see here, this is called a saucer, a rounding bottom, or a saucer pattern. Rounding bottoms usually are visible only on weekly and monthly charts. They come after a prolonged downside movement, and they usually last for years or months or years. So, but as soon as they break to the upside, there is no way coming back. What I'm trying to say here, this is around the bottom observed on the chart of the inflation rate of Turkey, and the price has just broke above today the 20% inflation rate. So personally for me, during the next 1 to 3 years, we will see an inflation rate of Turkey going up. And I think unless something dramatic changes, I think the first target will be 80. So if we look at a much smaller scale, we see that the price was in a trading range. It has broken above in the trading range, and I think we are getting towards an 80% inflation rate. Now, when that will happen, it will happen very shortly. And when I say very shortly, maximum up to 3 years. Because when these patterns are breaking to the upside movement is very steep and very violent. So as a first target, I will say we will get to 40, most probably by mid 2019, end of 2019. We will see about that. And I think and up to 2020, 2022, the inflation rate will get to 80% at least. Now, why am I saying that? Because I said that if we have an upside break of these patterns, things are going very fast and very steep. If we have a closer look on the 5-year chart, I think the 10-year chart is more representative. It was in a trading range, no worries, but for the past few months, we see a clear upside break for Turkey. Now, what is interesting, however, is how, if I compare this chart with 2 other European Union countries, and this is Poland and Hungary. Look now what is interesting about that. Poland inflation rate, and we are talking about 2 countries within the European Union which have not yet adopted the euro currency. So the currency for Poland is Polish zloty. Now there are a few similarities. The blue line is the Turkey inflation rate, and you see that is 25%. As you can see, however, the rate of increase of inflation rate of Poland is also going up. So what does this mean for me? It means that Polish economy is getting into trouble, especially if it breaks 2017's high. And I think it's getting there because what is this formation, guys? This is formation for me is more like a bullish flag. So expect the inflation rate of Poland to double at least the next 1-2 years. So that's another, for me, the emerging market of the European Union, Poland basically, is not looking good. So what does this mean? Short the zloty. So euro zloty, dollar zloty, we are shorting the zloty. So fundamentally it shows that the zloty will get much weaker. Now another country that is very interesting, also within the EU, is Hungary. And look at the rate of Hungary. The rate of Hungary is even much worse than Poland. I mean, Poland is somewhere here, but Hungary has, you see this bullish flag, has broken the flag to the upside and is getting higher. So Poland is marginally within Maastricht criteria. Maastricht criteria say 3% inflation rate. For the moment, I think is around there, but is getting very dangerously above that. Now, what is really interesting now? Let's go to a country outside the European Union, South Africa. And what is the currency of South Africa, guys? Is the South African rand. Now, another emerging market, which if we look on the 1-year chart or the 5-year chart, we see great instability in inflation rate. But the interesting thing is that for the last 6 months, again, it is showing an increasing percentage of inflation rate. So in other words, we have 2 countries within the EU. We have Turkey, South Africa, and also some other countries of the emerging markets, which are indicating a worrying increase of their inflation rates. So for me, the great investment opportunities in terms of currency pairs for the next 2-3 years are the following: shorting the Turkish lira, shorting the HUF, shorting the Polish zloty, and shorting the South African rand from a long-term perspective. Okay. Now, if we see the currency pair of US dollar against ZAR, you will see that indeed the past 3 months, together with inflation rate, the rate has increased from 11.7 to 15. So they are following their inflation rates. If we see dollar Hungarian foreign, you see exactly the same increase as well. So we see a synchronization of the inflation rates and the pairs. If we also trade zloty, let me find Polish zloty, US dollar, Polish zloty. Again, you see that from January 2018, everything is following an upside momentum. Now, the question, Mary is asking me if I will trade these pairs. The answer is no, because these pairs have a very high spread, and they are definitely not good for intraday trading purposes, which is mainly the purpose of the trading room. So if, however, guys, you have your own personal accounts and you wish at your own risk, based on what we have said, to place some small trades on these pairs, but you should always be careful with your money management and risk management. Here I'm just analyzing what I believe it will happen. I'm not telling you now go all in on HUF or on Turkish. Okay, so be careful on that. I'm just analyzing. So we are getting closer to a financial crisis. The emerging markets are not doing well. They are indicating a very worrying increasing signs of inflation, and 2 countries are within the EU, but they have their own currencies, Hungarian foreign and the Polish zloty. The other 2 countries that are following these 2 countries closely, Turkey and South African rand. So this is as far as the inflation analysis is concerned about emerging markets, guys. So it's now time to go straight to our Forex trading trades and see how we are doing. First of all, yesterday, if you remember, we finished the trading session and I have only managed to close one position, short position on pound dollar, with a minor profit of $1,750. Later at night, I have also closed euro dollar positions, and this morning, early in the morning, I have closed also euro yen positions. Thus, the total profit from yesterday and until this moment has increased to $4,070. Now, the new positions that I have currently placed this morning is a long position. So let me go new positions, new FX positions, guys. This morning, basically I have placed new FX positions. One, I have entered long positions on euro yen with take profit 132.16. The second trade that I have triggered this morning is a long position on euro dollar with a take profit at 1.16185. And the third position I have entered this morning is a short position on the cable with TP 129.663. Now, from yesterday, I still have, let me classify this, yesterday positions. The first position that I have triggered since yesterday and is currently developing very well is my short position on Aussie dollar with TP 71.580. My short position also on the Kiwi with TP 0.65555. On dollar CAD, since yesterday, I still have a long position on dollar CAD with take profit 128.574. On dollar CHF, I have just reversed today to net long positions. USD CHF with TP 0.98590.965, 0.98965. And today also I have reversed again to net long positions on dollar yen with TP 114.10. So let's go around and see how the trades are doing. First position, I'm short Aussie dollar. And as you can see, it's developing very well, very close to our take profit, guys. I am long euro yen. Let's see if it will manage and break the MA of 200 periods. If we do that, we are definitely moving higher. The fact that it's consolidating on the MA of 200 periods is very encouraging. And this movement in the morning, I believe that has given the sentiment for the day long positions. Same attitude on euro dollar. Have a look on the similarities of euro dollar and euro yen. Upward bias since the morning. We will see how they go. Pound dollar. I have shorted pound dollar because it's around 130. Let's see how it will react. If it breaks above these daily highs, then I believe we will go higher. That's why we have our buy stop order here. New Zealand, USD, the Kiwi is developing very nicely. Bearish cross on the MAs is developing very well. Long dollar cut is a mess. For the past 2 days, a very narrow trading range. Eventually, we will get the breakout. We will see how it will go. Dollar CHF, we have reversed to long positions. A nice upside trend has approached yesterday's highs, is retracing now a bit back. It will be very interesting to see how it will react. Bullish cross on the MAs, a nice setup on dollar CHF. Let's see how it will react. And dollar yen is climbing to the upside, guys. There it is, our take profit. I believe we will hit it today. And today, I believe if the climb continues, we will see new multi-week highs on dollar yen. If we put the daily chart, a correction, and I believe, let's see if we will manage and break the day before yesterday's high price. So this is the update I would like to give you for the Forex pairs. We have also seen together the emerging markets and how the correlation of inflation rates of some of the emerging markets have an impact on the value of the currency pair. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the trading room about emerging markets and how. Yes, Mary, you have a question? In simple words, yes? An emerging market is classified as an economy between developing and developed countries. They are not using anymore the word developing or third world countries. So if let's say, just to give you an example, let's say that you are owning diamonds and you are owning wheat. Diamonds is the first class, wheat is a third class, somewhere in between. Let's say you are owning silver. Is somewhere in between status of economies. They are not using anymore the word developing. They are called emerging markets. Emerging. For me, the word emerging market, I don't know why, it spreads panic. So that's why when I see emerging markets having problems, I smell panic. And believe me, they are getting there. Okay, if you think that China is included in that group, I don't think that China is not a developed country since it is included in that group. They are called emerging markets. This is what the economies are classifying. Let's say the countries that are developing at a faster rate than others, but their GDP capital is much lower than others, let's say. Let's take it this way. They have low GDP per capita, but their growth rate is faster than the average global rate, let's say. Like, for example, Vietnam. Vietnam, you cannot say that is not a developing economy. China, you cannot say that is not a developing economy. But since the salaries are very low, they are classified emerging markets. So that's all about emerging markets. Guys, if you have any questions about that, ask me. Let me recap what I have said. I see significant weakness, Hungarian forint, Polish zloty, South African rand, and Turkish lira. And I believe that's the start. That's only the start. We are approaching an economic crisis. Now, how big it will be, nobody knows, just speculations. But the good thing for us is that whether we have a crisis or not, the markets are always offering opportunities to make money. So this is the current Forex update. As Elif said very correctly, I'm waiting for some important announcements starting in approximately 20 minutes for the retail sales of the European Union. Then later at 12:15 UTC time, we have ANDP employment change, Market Services PMI, Market PMI Composite, and ISM Manufacturing PMI for the United States dollar. And again, tonight at 8 p.m. UTC time, Fed's Chairman Powell talks again. National Day for the Chinese, holiday for the Germans, and we will see how we will make this day profitable. Forexlife.com, Mary. We have mentioned it many times. Let me provide you once again with the link. We are approaching all the news through our partners portal website, forexlife.com. Any other questions before I give a pass to Elif? Anything that I have said and you haven't understand? Oscar, Anne-Marie, did you understand the importance of inflation rate of emerging markets? Did you clearly understand what I was trying to tell you with the inflation rates? Just type a yes or a no so that I know. Francis, is it clear what I said this morning? Have you understood it? Just type a yes or a no in the chat room so that I know that what is said is clearly understood by everybody. Thank you, Mary, for your response. What about the rest, guys? What about Oscar? What about Anne-Marie? What about Fanos? What about Francis? Have you understood, guys, what I was trying to tell you with the emerging market charts and inflation rates? Yes, no, just type in the chat room. A fair idea. Good. Thank you, Francis, for your response. All right, guys. So how are our trades doing? We are getting ready, as you can see, slowly to hit our take profit on the Aussie dollar. The other pairs are still developing, guys, and we will see how the day will develop. So this is the current update from the Forex trading desk. If you have any questions about any of these trades, just type your questions in the chat room. Also, no need to remind you again that if you would like to have a comprehensive way of how to approach the markets, if you want to develop your own personal strategy, if you want me to design with you your checklist, your money management strategy, a one-to-one session will be great. So you can arrange one-to-one session with us, either with myself or with Elif, to assist you become profitable traders and design your trading strategies based on your profiles, because not everybody trades in the same way. So many time frames, so many strategies. Even if you have a strategy that you believe it doesn't work, have a one-to-one session with us. We will make it work, guys. So talk with your account managers if you would like to arrange a one-to-one session. A kind reminder, 10% discount in all of our training programs until the end of the week. Elif, you are ready, right? Let's go to Elif.
Yes, I'm waiting. Hello, guys. Welcome back to me, guys, some stuff has happened over here. Well, we are making right now on Italy $41,500 on gold. We are making $2,600. And we are making $55 on UK 100. These are our 3 trades which I have. So I'm getting ready. Okay, on Italy 40, I have a take profit of around $4,000. I think to $2,900. I will close these positions a bit earlier, maybe. Let me see. On gold, we are making right now $2,700. Shall we close the position? Guys, anybody of you traded with me this position? So let me see. $1,800, $3,000. Okay, let's close it with $3,200, guys. We just closed our second position for today with $3,200 profit. Ching ching. We increased our daily profits to $4,700. Now the next one which I'm looking at is Italy 40, guys. Is Italy 40? Okay, now it dropped again, but this is okay. I will leave this position running. It's a very, very, very clear downtrend on Italy 40, as you can see. And also on gold, I want to trade again. I want to open again a gold trade, as you know. Just waiting for the correct entry level. I'm waiting for the correct entry level. As you know, guys, since Mary is asking if it's a nice idea to enter now Italy 40. Look, you will not get the exact same price as I got, but it's not a bad idea to enter again Italy 40, and you will go for a lower take profit, because if I go for a higher take profit, if I go and check here, let me see here. If you check here, I believe that the Italy 40 position will go drop down until 20,574. So I believe it's a good time for all of you guys who didn't trade with me to enter now Italy 40. It's a good time. So Mary just opened a short position. Well done, Mary. As I said, I'm expecting Italy 40 to drop until 2,550. This is what I believe in general, but I want to get the profits out of this trade as well. And we are approaching some news now. Gold is having a pullback, and I will open also a position on gold. Let me see. I'm ready to open a gold position. I will go again short on gold, but I want to see the general picture, and then I will go. Yes, guys, I'm going short again on gold. Just opened again a gold trade. Well done. Okay, great. I see that Kyriakos has an update. I will put my take profit and then I will pass directly to Kyriakos. He has an update. So my position on gold, my take profit is at 1,202. This is my take profit. So there we go. Kyriakos, no, he doesn't got an update. I just opened a gold position for all of you guys who For all of you guys who didn't manage to open with me the gold position, now it's also a nice time to open because you will get a better price. Italy 40. Italy 40. Mary, Italy 40 is making right now money. I think your position is also making now money, right? I think you entered with a good price and now you are making money, right? That's good. So now we have a position also open on UK 100. UK 100, we were up $200. Let me see. UK 100. Maybe I have to adjust a bit our take profit. I'm aiming here a take profit of $900. I will leave this position with this take profit. So let me inform you. We have one short position on gold, one short position on Italy 40, and one long position on UK 100. Let me see Brent oil. Today we are expecting some movement on oil and Brent oil because, as you know, we have the oil inventories today. Guys, it's a very high level right now. No, I will wait. But it's a nice setup. But the volumes are very low. As you can see, the volumes are very low on Brent oil. However, the setup is nice. Guys, I will go long. I will take the risk on Brent oil. It's quite high. It's traded quite high currently, but I would like to trade on Brent oil because I see a reduced volume and a nice setup. I believe it's going to be a breakout. So I traded on Brent oil and I will put my take profit at $85.77. Yes, this is my take profit. Why it didn't take? $85.707. This is my take profit. It didn't accept it. Let me see once again. So yeah, now we got it, and it's a profit of approximately $2,000. Maybe I will close the position a bit earlier. You know me. According to the market movement, I might take action and close it earlier. So on gold, we had a small pullback, guys. And let it pull it back, and then we will enter again. We see on the half an hour chart that the slope is downward, so I'm okay with it throughout the day. It will be okay. I'm back to Forex Live. As you know, Forex Live is our website where we check our data and the retail sales year to year of the Eurozone will be announced in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We will be there, so let's see how it will move on. Okay, so guys, also let me see. Once again, I want to mention to you that today, this week, we are expecting the NFP announcement on Friday, the US NFP announcement. It's once a month, this announcement, first Friday of the month. So it's a very crucial moment, and that's why we have this unique offer that you can get 10% discount on all our courses. So if you want to upgrade your course, do it now. This week you get 10% discount. Hope you will enjoy it. So we are short on UK 100 and it's dropping right now. And we are long on UK 100 and it's dropping. We are short on gold, short on Italy 40 and long on Brent oil. There we go. Oh, gold started to reverse. Italy 40, I don't like. Okay, Kyriakos is giving us some signs that he has most probably a take profit. Good news. Let's go to Kyriakos.
We are getting there, guys. As you can see, the bid price has already reached our target. We are just now 2 pips away from our take profit level on Aussie dollar. Remember, this is a yesterday's position. It has developed really well, and today we are getting ready to get our $1,750 profit. So it's marginally close now. As you can see, we are just need the spread to be covered, less than 2 pips away, 2 pips and something actually. But the interesting part is that we are getting ready to reverse our positions if they are triggered to sell short positions on euro dollar and long positions on pound dollar. That's an interesting phenomenon. Usually these two pairs are going together, but whatever it happens, we will follow it. Now we are 2 pips away, guys. If we see new daily lows for today for Aussie dollar, I think that we will get the target. So just by today trades, we just closed, as I have mentioned before, early in the morning, our euro yen position, $676. And let's see if this figure can raise above 2,500 for today. There we go, guys, just 1.5 pip away now. We want the price to make new daily lows in order for the spread to be covered and eventually hit our take profit on Aussie dollar. Now is getting there, just 1.7 pips away, and we are patiently waiting for that. So if I have any updates, I will let you know. Of course, we have news announcements coming out any minute now, right, Elif? We have retail sales for the EU, so we are staying with you a bit longer. So any minute now, we will have the announcement of retail sales of the EU. Expectations are talking about an increase in the retail sales of the EU of 1.7% forecast versus actual 1.1% the previous month. So good news for the euro in terms of year-on-year sales. Month on month, again, we are waiting an increase of 0.2% versus a decrease of minus 0.2%, the actual figure of the previous month. So both on a year-on-year and month-on-month, we are expecting much better figures than the previous months. Let's see if these figures will be confirmed. We are just 20 more seconds for the announcement of the retail sales of the EU year-on-year and month-on-month. Let's see. Have the indices reacted on this news, Elif, or not? Yeah, nothing. Nothing. Okay, we are waiting for the news, guys. Any moment now. Most probably we will see them faster through Bloomberg television. Let's see. They should be out any moment now. Let's see, we are patiently waiting for this news. Okay, they are out. Better than expected year-on-year figure of 1.8%, worse than expected on a month-on-month basis, minus 0.2. Let me see the reaction on euro-dollar. Not so much reaction for the moment. Let's check Aussie dollar. Nothing important, guys. So we don't see the volatility desired on these news announcements. Let's see also euro dollar. Euro dollar is falling steadily for the moment. Okay, guys, no important news. So that's all I have for you for the moment. As I said, we are getting ready to close our yesterday's short position on Aussie dollar is very close, guys. If I have any updates or if I reverse any of my positions, I will inform you in the chat room. Elif, do you have any updates? No. Thank you very much for, yes, okay, we have, yes, okay, we have.
Guys, I want to close my Italy 40 position. I want to close my Italy 40 position. Do you see my screen? No, you don't. La 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 la. Where's? Oh, come on. Where's my screen? Here's my screen. Oh, yeah. Come on now. Oh, no, now it dropped down. Nope. I will not close it, guys. I will not close it. I wanted to close it with $1,600 profit. It just dropped again. So I will not close it now. I will let it run until I change the screen. It dropped. Now I will let my Italy 40 position to run, and soon we will make some money here. Guys, we are long on Brent oil, we are short on gold, we are short on Italy 40, and we are long on UK 100. So, okay, here we go. Let me see. No, guys, I will keep my take profit at $2,909. I will hit this take profit on Italy 40 very soon, and I will inform you. Yep, I will hit it very soon, and I will inform you when it's the time. Mary, you had also a position on Italy 40. How much you made? How much are you making right now? I will keep this position. Guys, thank you very much. I will keep this position to see how it will develop. I'm sure it will drop a bit more, and I will let you know once the time comes. So have a nice afternoon. Have a nice day, and we see you throughout the trading session. Bye-bye, guys. Guys, we hit finally our take profit on Italy 40, and we increased our profits for today to $7,636. So we hit our take profit on Italy 40, and we make $2,900 on it, and our daily profits are increased to 7,636. Let's see how it will develop further. I might enter again a position. I will see in a short while and decide. Whoa, it's a strong drop right now. No, I will wait and see. I might enter later on. Thank you, guys. Oh no, Kyriakos has also a nice update for you guys. So
Okay, guys, good news. Our Aussie dollar position just closed with take profit $1,750, and together with morning's closing positions on euro yen, we have currently realized a total profit of $2,370. More updates, guys. I have just reversed to short positions on euro yen, so I have just shorted euro yen. Now I have net short positions on euro yen. Let me update you on that with a take profit 131.240, and also we have also reverted to short positions on euro USD with take profit 115.265. So great news, guys. We closed one position live here and more is coming. Stand by for more. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, welcome back. As you can see, we are getting ready to hit take profits on our Kiwi and the pound dollar positions. It's really close now. This is the Kiwi chart. We are just 6 pips away from our triggering price. And also our pound dollar short position is doing relatively well during May's speech. So as we talk right now, May is giving a speech and trying to persuade her political parties to support her. So this has an impact on pound dollar. So we are monitoring also the pound dollar chart. It's falling rapidly, guys. We are talking about $1,750 of profit on pound dollar position that we have opened today. And also our yesterday's short position on the Kiwi is doing very well. So we are talking another $1,750. So we have $3,500 on the table, really close to ending our pockets. And if we get these guys, then we will increase our profits to approximately $5,800 for the day. Currently we have $2,370. So I'm closely monitoring all the positions, and as I said, we are getting ready to hit TPs on pound dollar and the Kiwi. So let's see. The Kiwi is getting ready. As soon as we hit and close TPs, I will go live and inform you about them. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, it's getting really close now. We're just less than 3 pips away from our take profit on the Kiwi, and you are monitoring the Kiwi chart. We need the ask price to go down to 555, just 2.5 pips, a little bit more, and we will hit our take profit. Remember that we are aiming for $1,750 on this position and another $1,750 on our 5 lots short pound dollar position. So this is the Kiwi trade, slowly declining. Let's put the 1 minute chart, guys. We are now covering the spread cost because as you can see, the price is already below our triggering price. But as I said many times, since we are short, what we see here is the bid price. We want the ask price, which is shown here, to reach our take profit in order to close this position. So we are very close now, just 2.5 pips away. The next 1 minute candle has just opened. Let's see how it will develop. Very close, guys, I repeat. 2 pips away from our take profit. And we are getting there. Let's watch the market and let's see if we will manage and hit it. We need approximately $100 more. There we go. Our take profit is at $1,750. Currently, we are making $1,650. So we are missing just $100 more, and then this position will close with take profit. If we do this, let's see, we are just, as I said, $100 is falling now. Just 2 pips away from our take profit price. Just 2 pips away. There we go. It's falling, guys. And I believe that we will shortly close this position with profit. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys, good news. We just hit take profit on pound dollar and we have just realized another $1,750 for today. This increases our profits to $4,120 and also one pip away from our Kiwi position. This will mean another $1,750 that will land in our pockets. Let's see, guys, if we will get that. It's getting there. You can see the 1 minute chart of Kiwi. Pound dollar declined nicely, closed our position. So now we are watching closely the Kiwi short position. It's marginally close to our take profit, just 1.5 pips away. Theresa May's speech certainly caused volatility, and especially on pound dollar. Guys, this is a 1 minute chart of pound dollar. Look at this nice decline, and it's still falling. So it will be great. It was great for us. We closed our short position, but our eyes now is on the Kiwi, since it's our next most profitable, most probable position that we will get another $1,750. So we are patiently waiting also for this position to hit the take profit. It's marginally close, as you can see. It's less than 2 pips, less than 1.5 pips, actually 1.6 pips now. So we are patiently waiting for this trade to develop well, and let's see if we will manage to increase our profitability even more. Thank you. Okay, guys, the Kiwi position is doing very well. We have only $45 left to hit our take profit, and as you can see, it's less than 1 pip now. So any minute, I believe that we will hit our take profit. A lot of people are asking me if we can short again today in the New Zealand USD. Well, my philosophy is if you trade a pair and you have a take profit, don't trade it again the same day. So my answer is we will trade definitely the Kiwi again tomorrow, not today. Today we already have a short position. I'm patiently waiting for that to close. And if it gets closed, then tomorrow, with plenty of opportunities, we will trade it again. Now, let's go around and see what the other pairs are doing. Remember that we have closed our pound dollar positions a few minutes ago, and we have raised our daily profits above $4,000 for the day from Forex. Now I'm waiting for the Kiwi to hit take profit. And the dollar yen has started to move in our side, in our direction. The dollar CHF is also doing very well. As you can see, a nice flag here. It has been rising since the morning. We have long positions on dollar CHF as well. So it's a currency pair that I believe later by tonight or maybe tomorrow will eventually also hit its TP. It's looking good. Now, regarding the rest of the positions, let me remind you that we are net short on euro dollar. Let's see how euro dollar is doing. Let's put the 15-minute chart. Is developing nicely, as you can see. We have reversed to net short. I believe that we will hit our take profit most probably today within our trading session. Also, the dollar cut position is moving in our direction. Nice bullish cross of the MAs, as you can see here, is moving higher. And I think it's a matter of minutes as well to hit our take profit on this trade. We talked about dollar CHF, and remember that we have 83 lots long position on dollar yen. Is accumulating nicely, bullish cross on the MAs, bullish momentum on MACD. So I don't see any reasons why not hit our take profit also today during our trading session. So patience, guys. Patience pays up eventually. Let's see how the day will develop. Thank you. Okay, guys, get ready to hit take profit on the Kiwi. We are 0.4 pips away from our triggering price, and there we go, guys. We just closed another $1,750 position on the Kiwi, on New Zealand USD, and we have just raised our daily profits to $5,789. So a nice day for us here. So currently we have $5,789 of profits. Let's see how the day will develop. Thank you.
Okay, guys.
It seems that our next profitable position will be dollar CHF, guys. There it is. There is our take profit. Remember that on dollar CHF, we have net long positions and it's really doing well for the moment. That's the latest position I have opened, hedged position. So we are approaching our take profit fast. Dollar CHF is climbing today, guys. So any minute now, I believe that we will close our positions with profits. Currently, we have $5,790 approximately. Let's see if we will manage and increase this profitability for the day to above $6,000. Patience eventually pays up. And remember that we are keeping the dollar CHF position since yesterday, guys. And we have reversed today to net long. And it really works for the moment. So we are monitoring closely dollar CHF positions. And any minute now, I believe that we will hit our TPs. Let's see what happened, and we will update you accordingly. Have in mind that in approximately 30 minutes from now, we have important announcements for the United States dollar. We have ADP non-farm employment change in 15 minutes from now. That's in 12:15 p.m. UTC time. And later in the day, we have ISM non-manufacturing PMI. This event, this announcement will be announced towards the end of our afternoon trading session. So for the moment, I'm monitoring closely the dollar CHF positions. They are doing really well. We are net long. Let's see how they will develop. And I will update you as I always do. Thank you. Okay, guys. We are getting ready to hit take profit, guys, on 3 forex pairs. As you can see, a sudden movement in the market. So get ready for take profits on euro yen, euro dollar, and dollar CHF. Great, guys. Amazing. We are getting ready to hit take profits on our net short positions on euro dollar, our net long positions on dollar CHF, and on our net short positions on euro yen. You see green and red lights coming on and off. It means that we are getting there. We saw a sudden drop on euro yen, almost reaching our take profit target. Similarly, euro dollar dropped suddenly, almost reaching also our take profit target. And also dollar CHF is climbing, guys. Look at that. Nice. It's very nice. Currently we are up $5,790. Let's see if we will manage and get this figure to above 7,000 today. I like what I see, guys. So stay with us. It's getting there any moment now. There we go. Also euro dollar is getting there. Less than 10 pips on our short positions, net short positions. And we are getting there. We are monitoring the chart of dollar CHF, which is climbing fast towards our take profit price. We are now just 5 pips away from our take profit price. It looks good. So guys, monitor my screen and I will let you know if we hit these nice trades TP.
Hello guys. Guys, I just went long on gold. I just opened again a long position on gold, and I think it's a reversal, and I will let the gold position to go up until 1,203, and then I will close it. So we went long on gold.
Okay guys, we are back again. We are very close now to our TPs on euro dollar and euro yen and dollar CHF. As you can see, we are just 8 pips away from our TP on euro dollar and 6 pips away from our TP on euro yen. Also dollar CHF, the chart that we are currently monitoring on the 15-minute chart, is also very close to its TP. There we go. Soon you will see the red and green lights on our dollar CHF trades lighting up as well. So we are very close now, guys. Let's see if we will manage and increase our profits for the day to above $7,000. Currently we are plus 5,790 almost. So I'm monitoring all the pairs. Remember, in the morning we had 8 forex pairs. Now we have only 5 remaining, and the 3 out of 5 are getting ready to hit TPs. So we are marginally close. We are really close now. Let's check euro dollar chart. You see the bid price reached our target, but since we are short, again, I want to repeat that we would like to see the ask price reaching our take profit level. That's 5 pips away. So a nice decline on euro dollar, the same scenario on euro yen. The bid price reached our target, but because we have short positions, we are still waiting for the price to decline further and hit our take profit. This is the ask price for euro yen. As you can see now, it's just 6 pips away. This is the ask price of euro dollar. We are 6 pips as well away from our target. And the same goes for dollar CHF. For dollar CHF, we have net long position, guys. So we are very close also to hit our take profits. Very interesting. Let's see how they will develop. Guys, welcome back and good afternoon. Welcome to our live trading session. This is Kyriakos Hailau from the Forex Trading Desk. Eventually, we see some nice action on the Forex pairs. We see that Euro Yen, Euro Dollar, and Dollar CHF positions are marginally close to hit our TPs, guys. So let's go around and see how the pairs are performing. For Euro Yen, remember we are net short, and this is the graph of Euro Yen 15-minute chart. Now, what we have seen is that the price has reached our target, but the position has not closed, and the reason is because we are short. Remember that the prices on the charts are bid prices. We want the ask price to reach our target, not the bid price, since we have a short position. So we are getting there. Moving on, we are also net short on euro dollar, currently in the money as well. A nice decline of the euro dollar. Now is testing the crucial intraday support level of 1.1530. Our take profit is a bit lower than that at 115.265, just 5 pips away for the take profit also to be triggered. Now, moving on dollar CHF, we have net long positions. The pair is climbing the whole day today, guys. As you can see, the pair is in a very strong uptrend today. It has broken above the highs of yesterday's and is climbing to the upside. So I believe anytime soon we will hit also take profits on dollar CHF. Remember that we have net long positions with our TPs just a bit lower than 0.99 round number at 0.98965. Moving on, we have a long position on dollar CAD, which is also doing very well. So you can see that dollar CAD eventually broke above the trading range of the last 2 days and is also climbing to the upside. So I believe that we will shortly hit TPs on dollar CAD anytime soon. And last but not least, we have the dollar yen pair The dollar yen is a bit strange, is ranging, but is ranging in an upside direction. So the range for the Asia session was here. Now the range of the European and the US session is higher. So I believe that it will eventually break the 114 round number and we will soon get there. So these are the current positions. Remember that we have already closed early in the morning Euro Yen positions. And during in our live trading room session in the morning, we have closed a short position on Aussie dollar, $1,750 of profit. We have closed a bit later our short pound dollar position, thanks to Theresa May's speech, with $1,750 as well. And before a few minutes, we have also closed our short position on the Kiwi. That's another $1,750. So generally a very good trading day for me. Currently I'm up $5,790, but I have a feeling that that's not the end for today. So basically that's all I have for the moment. And let's see what other news announcements we have. We had the ADP employment, non-farm employment change. It came back better than expected. Expectations were talking about 185K, but the actual figure was much better than that, 230K. So 230,000 new jobs were added in the US economy. Now we are waiting for market services PMI coming out in approximately 30 minutes, 40 minutes from now at 1:45 p.m. UTC time, and then at 2 o'clock p.m. UTC time we have the ISM non-manufacturing PMI again for the dollar. Don't forget that we have at 6 FOMC 6:15 FOMC member Mester speech, member Bernard speech, but the most important speech is at 8 o'clock UTC time, 8 p.m. Powell's is the chairman of the Fed. He will talk again today at 8 p.m. UTC time. So for those of you who are keeping overnight positions, including myself as well, we need to be aware of this speech and we need to keep our eyes on our positions during that speech. We will see some volatility. However, I don't know if the impact of this speech will create greater or less volatility than what we expect. So this is the current Forex market update. Currently, we have 5 Forex pairs positions already running, 5 pending orders already standing by. Let's see how the day will develop. How many of you guys have traded any of these pairs? How many of you had placed any trades on the Forex pairs? Remember that you need always to be careful about your money management and risk management, and don't overdo it, guys. Be careful. Always have your stop losses on place for protection of your account purposes. So that's all I currently have for the moment. If you have any questions for me, just type it in the chat room. Let's see who is online with us for the afternoon session. I see Alan, I see Basanta, I see Fanos, George, Jeff, Jenna, Mary, welcome Jenna, Patrick, hello Sam, and hello Terence. So how was your day, guys? Let me remind you that apart from trading, we also have a great football match today. Napoli versus Liverpool is going to be a great match. The Italians are talking about 44,000 people in the stadium, and they said that they will shout and sing the Champions League game and their voices will be heard until Milan. Let's see. I believe that Liverpool will do great today. What are your expectations for the result, Mary? Difficult match. I believe that if we score first, if Liverpool scores first, we will win. If Napoli scores first, then I believe it's a draw. right? So it depends who will score first. If Liverpool scores first, I believe we will win with a difference of 2 goals. If Napoli scores first, I believe we will draw. So these are the predictions from me for today. So we will see what happens. Yesterday we had nice surprises. I think Real Madrid lost in the home of CSKA Moscow, if I'm not wrong, with 1-0. City had a very difficult time, actually turned the match around, 1-2. Bayern also had a difficult time with Ajax. Ajax played fantastic football and well done to Ajax, 1-1 at Bayern Arena. So these are the football match highlights for this afternoon session. We will definitely enjoy the matches tonight, very interesting matches, but I believe that we are also enjoying the Forex trading session. Nice profits today, and I believe, as I said, we have much more coming on the way. So these are the Forex positions. Let me repeat them, and then I will give a small pass to Elif for an update, and then you will come back to me until the US session starts. Remember, for Euro Yen, we have net short positions with a TP at 131.24. For Euro Dollar, we have net short positions as well with a TP at 1.15265. Dollar CAD, I have a long position, take profit 1.28574. For dollar CHF, we have net long positions, take profit a bit lower than 99, 0.98965. And finally, since yesterday, our dollar yen positions, we are still net long with take profit 114.10. So these are the current updates. And Elif, I will give you a pass and then you come back to me. Thank you.
Hello, guys. Here I am. I hope you had a nice afternoon. We had here some positions which we closed. Let me see. Here we are, so you can see me as well because I know you like to see me. So we closed several positions. By now, we closed our Italy 40 position. We closed our gold position, our Italy 40 position, our UK 100 position. We closed with a loss. And last but not least, we closed another gold position, and we are up until now $9,000. $9,000. For you guys who are following us on chat, you know, Basanta asked me for an entry level on gold. I told her not to enter, and like approximately 10 minutes ago, I said, okay, now it's time to enter. So we entered a long position on gold. We had this nice drop, and now it's starting to catch up, and we are making right now a profit, and we are aiming a profit of $6,000 on this position. Hopefully throughout our trading session we will reach this level soon. So let's go. We have still an open position on UK one on Brent oil. It dropped a bit, but as you know, we are expecting today, late in the afternoon, the oil inventories, and I believe during the oil inventories, we will kick in our money and get some money in. Normally, you know, I'm not, no, I'm quite positive about our oil trade, our Brent oil trade here at Trademy.com, which we opened this morning, and let's see how they will develop. So let's see what we find now. We will today again trade now in the afternoon USA 100. USA 100 is quite interesting. Now with the kind of resolution regarding the Italy budget. The US indices, they count a bit down. They count a bit down, and ching ching, we hit our take profit right now, guys, on gold. Where is our gold trade? Let's go here to gold. We just hit our take profit on gold, and we make $6,600 and increased our profits to $15,000, guys. I hope, Basanta, you could enter this trade with us. Just let me know. A nice one, was a nice one. Let me see if we find another nice entry level. Gold is trading today in a quite nice pattern, and I believe when I'm at around 1,240, 1,204, I'm planning to sell again gold. This is my strategy for gold today. But currently, we increased our profits to $15,000 with a small loss of $1,400. And we see, looks nice, looks nice. But $6,000, another $6,000. So let's go back. Let me see if we find any other nice entry level here. On Italy 40. We made this morning a nice trade on Italy 40. And since then, the market on Italy 40 is a bit slowed down. Let me see. Guys, I will sell a bit Italy 40. I just sold a bit Italy 40, not much, a bit, because I'm expecting here a bit of drop, a small drop. On Italy 40, I'm short Italy 40, guys. Let me see the volumes. Yep, guys, I sold Italy 40, and I will put a take profit on Italy 40. We still pay off the spread. I will put a small profit on Italy 40. Let's go down to 20,740. 20,740. It's approximately $3,000 profit, but let's see, I think with 1,400, I will close this position. Let me see, because the reason why I sold right now Italy 40 is, as you see, it is at the same level as the today's opening. It's at the same level as today's opening. That's why I just sold Italy 40, and I believe it will move on quite nicely. Let's keep still an eye on gold. If gold drops a bit more, I will enter. Come on. If I see you're no, let gold run. Gold is nice. Gold is behaving very, very nice. Okay, wait, maybe we will enter. Wait a bit more. I will. Guys, I'm getting ready to buy another gold trade. I just bought another gold trade. And I will put my take profit. I will just aim $2,500 profit. 1,200 5.11. This is just $2,500 of profit. Yeah. So during the opening, I will trade US indices, USA 50 and USA 100. We have also the USA 500 option, but here I didn't see much of possibilities. Okay, I see Italian bonds, snap 4 days of sell-off. Guys, the NFP is coming on. The Italian budget is going on. The discussions about the Italian budget is going on. NFP is on Friday, so we have a lot of big events this week, and we are offering for this week, in case you want to upgrade your account, a 10% discount. 10% discount today until the end of this week, Friday evening. So for all of you guys who want to enjoy trading, especially this week, I think it's a unique possibility now to use this offer. Just talk to your account manager, they will inform you. So let me see. So with us is Basanta, Ellen, Fanos, George, Jenna, Mary, Patrick, and C is also with us. Guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. Now I will pass to Kyriakos. He wanted to update you he wanted to update you, and shortly before the American opening, I will be here with you waiting for you guys. So see you in a short while.
Thank you very much, Elif, for the pass. So welcome back, guys, to the Forex Trading Desk of Trademy.com. As Elif has mentioned very well, we have a unique offer today by the end of this week, until the end of this week. That's 10% discount on all of our training programs. And for newcomers and for those who are already in a training program and wish to upgrade their training programs, so we have 10% discount, a huge opportunity, guys, for you to upgrade your training programs and enter up to the Star Trader course and enrich your knowledge and trading skills. Also, don't forget that we are offering also one-to-one sessions. This is a unique opportunity for those who want to take their trading strategies to the next level. They can have a one-to-one session either with myself, Kyriakos, or with my colleague Elif, in order to teach you and show you how a simple strategy can make money in the financial markets. If you already have an existing strategy of trading and you believe it doesn't work, it doesn't matter, bring it to us. We will carefully examine it. We will provide valuable feedback and we will make it work for you. If you don't have a trading strategy, no problem at all. We can identify in a one-to-one session with you guys what's your ideal profile of trading. What do I mean by that? Maybe you are a good scalper, maybe you are a good intraday trader, maybe you are a good daily short-term trader. Once this is identified, then we can assist you design a good trading strategy, of course, with proper money and risk management strategies in place. So a lot of things can be done on one-to-one sessions. The one-to-one sessions with us, guys, I mean, we have been trading in the markets for more than 15 years. We have seen accounts burn. We know what the mistakes are. We can fix them. We can design your strategy to be profitable. So what are you waiting for, guys? Arrange a one-to-one session. Talk with your personal account managers at Trademy.com and come and talk to us. You will really enjoy it, and it's a real value for money. So going on with our Forex trading pairs, As you can see, our dollar yen position starts to recover the losses. Our bigger long position slowly starts to recover the losses of our short positions. So dollar yen for me is consolidating. Technically speaking, is getting ready for an upside breakout. So good news, our long positions are doing very well. Our euro yen position, as you can see, just 5 pips away from the take profit. It has been a while there, guys, meandering around the take profit level at 131.24. The same for euro dollar. Let's check the charts. Let's see what they are doing. Great, guys. You see that the fascinating stuff about euro yen and euro dollar is that they have erased all the morning gains. So you see that they have erased all the morning gains and they are slowly approaching now our take profits. We are just, I repeat, 4 pips now, less than 4 pips away from our take profit on euro yen. Let's see, euro dollar is the same picture. So we are getting lower. It seems that the 115.30 will not hold as an intraday support level. So technically speaking, next level for euro dollar is 115.10. The same for euro yen. It seems that the 131.20 might not hold. It means that we are going lower towards 130.75. So I will keep these levels for tomorrow trading decisions, and I will also keep a note on them. So dollar CHF, the pair that has demonstrated the biggest daily rally for the day, a small consolidation here, and guess what, we are going higher. And what is even better, we have long positions, net long positions on dollar CHF. This is the current forex market update. Patiently waiting for the positions to close, guys. Hopefully we can get these TPs online live here with you. You see green lights, you see red lights. Is getting there, is getting exciting, and I believe we will increase our profitability to above $7,000 for today. Some of our positions have closed today and triggered today. Some of them have been open since yesterday. So just to have an idea, guys, just today and yesterday, these are our yesterday and today performance. Yesterday, remember, I managed to close only one position. So yesterday and today positions combined, we have $9,000 profit, out of which $5,789 have been realized today. So let's see how the trades will develop. We are monitoring now the dollar CHF graph. Euro dollar is getting ready, euro yen is getting ready. Let's see how they will develop. The key is to use a proper position size that makes you feel comfortable with your account value. Okay, you cannot open on your accounts, of course, 5 and 10 and 38 lots. You need to adjust them accordingly if you would like to follow all of my trades, and make sure that your adjustment has enough margin requirements to do that. So these are the positions that I have. Remember, I have out of 8 forex pairs, I have 5 pairs still running and developing relatively well, I would say. So we will see what happens in a few moments. I see that the US market is opening in approximately 2.5 minutes. Let's go through the news announcements of tomorrow until the US Open starts while you are monitoring my screen. So for tomorrow, we have Chinese National Day. We have later in the morning at 11:30 a.m. No, that's not important. We have basically at 2 p.m. tomorrow, guys, for the Canadian dollar, 2 p.m. UTC time, the only important announcement for me, IV Purchasing Managers Index at 2 p.m. UTC time. But as Elif said very correctly before, all eyes are on Friday. Why? NFP, non-farm payroll. So it will be a very volatile day, and I'm really looking forward for Friday, to be honest with you. I'm waiting for the non-farm payrolls. Estimations are talking about a figure of 188,000, slightly lower than the actual previous month figure of 201,000. We also have average hourly earnings. We have unemployment rate, which is expected to be decreased to 3.8% versus the previous month, 3.9%. This is the United States dollar news. We have Canadian dollars news. We have net change in employment. A huge improvement is expected from minus 51.6K to plus 32.5K. And unemployment rate, the Canadians are expecting a decrease in their unemployment rate to 5.9% versus 6% the previous month figure. So lots of new upcoming news, especially on Friday. However, tomorrow will be a great day as well. The markets, the Forex market seems to have a clear direction. We will definitely take advantage of that and make money. So we are monitoring the Forex positions. The US opening is in approximately 1 minute, Elif? Yes. All right. So in 1 minute, we go live with Elif for the US Open. So generally speaking, was the general direction of the markets today. We had, although Euro started very well the day against the other majors, it has lost a lot of its morning's power. On contrary, the United States dollar have gained strength, especially after 12 o'clock. That's 9 o'clock a.m. UTC time. As you can see, a very strong US dollar since the midday onwards against all the pairs, I will say, against the Kiwi, against pound dollar. Euro is losing ground for the moment, although it has started very well. And it will be very interesting to see if this trend will continue or reverse. Let's see, let's see. So the US opening has just started, so let's go straight to Elif. Elif.
Hey guys, here we are. Let me see, I see. I will short immediately. USA 30, I just saw it, shorted USA 30. On USA 100, I have to go a bit slow today. Let me see, USA 100. I want to buy USA 100. I just bought USA 100, guys. There we go, USA 100. Let's put also a take profit on USA 100. I will put the take profit at 7,690. 7,690 is my take profit on USA 100. On USA 30, I have to think about a bit. Let me see. USA 30, Dow Jones. Although I was expecting today a drop, it's going quite strong. Although I was expecting a move up, it's, let me see, 26,885. No, not 85. 80. This is my take profit on Dow Jones, and I'm aiming with this take profit $400. I'm aiming $400. USA 100 is playing again games with me as it did yesterday. Our gold position is making right now $1,000, $1,300. Oh no, it's dropping now again. Since 2 days, the US indices are playing games. Let me put the volume here to understand also from the volume. Guys, I am considering of. No, you see, it's so undefined. It's this, not even 5 minutes since the opening, and it's so undefined. It doesn't react if it will go up or not. It's totally undefined. I don't want to close my Dow Jones position yet. And on the other hand, I feel okay, guys, I will buy. I'm buying now USA 30. I just bought USA 30, and I will close this position which I have over here on USA 30 with a loss of $1,800. This is okay. On USA 100, we are making right now $300 profit. $300 profit on USA 100. Okay, on gold, we are very close to hit our take profit. Ching ching, we hit our take profit on gold. We hit a take profit on gold, guys. We increased our positions today to $16,000. Let me see on. So we are making right now on USA 100. We are making, sorry, now it's dropping USA 100 off to my minute. What's going on with our USA 30 is playing games now? It's just a pullback. I believe that this is a pullback and gives us the possibility to enter again a long position on USA 30. I will increase my exposure on a long position on USA 30. I just opened another position on USA 30, guys. We have now an open position on USA 100, USA 30, and on gold. We increased our profits to $16,000. My aim is today to get $20,000, and I think we can get it. I think we can get it. Okay, USA 30, USA 30. We don't have any take profit. Let's put some take profit on USA 30. On, oh, do you think it will pass the, let me see, guys, is it going to pass the 27,000? Guys, it will be on an all-day high currently. USA 30 is on an all-day high. We are looking at the 1 month chart. Look at this. It was never so high as right now. And if USA 30 managed, guys, I think if USA 30 managed to go above 27,000, sky is the limit. Let's put a 27,000. 27,000, we put our take profit 27,000. Yeah, we put our take profit on 27,000 today. Most probably we will get there very, very soon, guys. Very soon we will get there. Our USA 100 position is giving us also some profit. So let me see, guys. USA 100. Also, our Italy 40 position from this morning is giving us right now $1,100 of profit. Okay, my take profit here is at 2,500, but I think I will close it now with a profit of $1,400. I am ready to close the position. Come on, come on. Okay, let's close it. Let's close it with whatever we get. We didn't got any ticks since. Guys, get ready for our gold trade, for our Italy 40 position to close it with $1,100 profit. Come on. No, I will leave it. I will leave the Italy 40 position. So on USA 100, what's going on USA 100? USA 100 is dropping in strongly, is dropping strongly. USA 100, here is the chart, is dropping strongly. We are making right now a loss of $600, but this will catch up. This is not a big deal. USA 30, we are making $300. We need another $3,500 to be happy today. To be happy, we need another $3,500. Okay, how much I want here? Okay. I just put a take profit on my first USA 30 position at 26,931. On Italy 40, I will close my Italy 40 position at no ticks, okay. The US markets, they are also not so clear anymore about their reactions. Look at this drop of guys, did you enter with me any of those trades? On USA 100, I will open now again a buy position. I just opened again a buy position on USA 100, and I will get here again a take profit at 7,675. This is my take profit here. It's just $300 profit, but it's something, you know. I will put the same here. 7,680. So on Italy 40, we are very close to hit our take profit. $1,900. $2,000. There we go. We just closed another $2,000 on Italy 40, and we increased our profits to $18,520. $18,520, guys. Okay, USA 100 started to make us some money, but USA 30 is not developing well. It's in a very, very high level, but I believe that it will try again to get it. I see Kyriakos has an update. Please, Kyriakos, feel free.
Okay, guys, get ready for take profits on Euro Yen, Euro Dollar, Dollar CHF. We are very close to hit our take profit prices. Euro Dollar is trying to break this low, so you can see that our bid price is already there. So get ready, guys. Let's see, it's going now below, just 2 pips away from our take profit level on Euro Dollar. Come on, let's put the 1 minute chart. I think we can see it here now live. A nice break on the 1 minute chart to the downside. Let's see if this bearish momentum will continue. Currently, our 10 loss position is making us over $3,300. We definitely want to see this decline to continue and make slightly lower than this candle's low, and our TPs will be triggered. For the moment, it doesn't seem to happen, but we are very close, guys. So let's see how they will develop. Elif, if you can interrupt me at any time you wish. So Euro Yen again is getting there. We definitely want to break these lows to hit TPs also on Euro Yen, and at the same time on Euro Dollar as well. These lows here are crucial for the intraday support levels. And dollar CHF, this high is crucial. So as you can see, we have a synchrony of the levels, crucial supports for Euro Dollar, Euro Yen, and crucial resistance levels for dollar CHF. If we have a break at any one of these, then the other two will follow, and we will have nice profits on these three pairs. So it's been a long time that they are lighting, red and green lights are lighting up, switching off and on. So it means that the market is finding some minor resistance or support there, but I believe that we will get over it and eventually hit our take profits. So I'm closely monitoring the trades, as you can see. So it's really getting exciting now during the US session. Euro Yen is trying to fall. Euro Dollar. Let's see if we will have a big red candle and eventually hit the take profit. But for the moment, nothing of this happens. These pairs, as you can see, for the past 1 hour, they are approaching these levels and holding up, especially on Euro Dollar and Euro Yen. Okay, Dollar CHF seems to be breaking its resistance level. That's good news. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we can manage and increase our profits to more than $7,000 for the day. Therefore, there we go. Dollar CHF is developing nicely. Now we have the green color lighting up as well. It means that we are doing well and we are getting closer to our TPs on all three pairs, Euro Yen, Euro Dollar, Dollar CHF. Let's see how they will develop. Come on, I want to see the break on the dollar CHF. Let's see, everything is looking fine. RSI is looking fine. Moving averages are looking great. Parabolics are looking very good. Moving averages are looking very good. So technically, I see no reason why not to break to the upside and give us the take profits. Everything seems to be in harmony. So we are patiently waiting for the TPs to be triggered. I'm monitoring the dollar CHF chart. Let's have a look on the dollar yen. However, dollar yen is the same as the dollar CHF. If they break their highs, the sky is the limit, guys. So I'm expecting an upside breakout for dollar yen as well, and I don't think that 114 will hold as an obstacle. I believe we will, if the break occurs, we will go much higher than 114. Our take profit, however, for our net long positions is set 10 pips above the 114 level at 114.10. So we are monitoring now the dollar CHF positions. They are getting ready. There we go. We are getting ready to have the break that we desire and hit our take profits. All right. It's looking very good, guys. All of the positions are looking great. There we go. Dollar yen is breaking to the upside. Euro dollar now is just 5 pips away, followed by Euro Yen, which is just 9 pips away, 8 pips now away from our TP price. Very, very nice. So let's see if dollar CHF will make the start and Euro dollar will follow, and then eventually Euro Yen will follow Euro dollar. This is the order I'm expecting the positions to close. First dollar CHF, then Euro dollar, and then Euro Yen. But we want to see these supports on Euro Yen and Euro Dollar and this resistance level on Dollar CHF to be broken to the upside for the case of Dollar CHF, to the downside for the case of euro yen and euro dollar. Let's see. Is getting there, guys. Slowly we will get there. As I said many times, all is needed is patience, a good strategy, and a good money management. Okay, that's all is needed. I would love to see these positions closing here live with you. You see that our long position on dollar CHF it was above $10,000. Now it has fallen a little bit. A sudden drop on dollar CHF. So I'm letting the trades develop, and we will see if we will get there. In the meantime, let me check again if we have any important announcements. Yes, we have ISM non-manufacturing PMI for the United States is coming out in approximately 6 minutes from now, and I believe that's the triggering news for our TPs to be hit. 58.0 is the expectation, actual previous month figure 58.5, so we are definitely waiting for the ISM non-manufacturing PMI for the month of September. We are looking forward for a better than expected figure, and this will cause a sudden drop on euro dollar and euro yen, and equivalently a sudden rise on dollar CHF, and they will hit our TPs. However, the only thing we need to do is to wait for the trades to develop. So to sum up what we have done for the day, as I said many times, we have managed to close positions on euro yen, Aussie dollar, pound dollar, and the Kiwi. Currently we are up $5,789 and our target is to get over $7,000. Let's see if this target will be realized today during our live trading session, or today later hours after our trading session, or even tomorrow morning. So I'm letting the trades develop. Let's see, dollar CHF is trying again to have a break to the upside. Let's see if this break will occur. No, it's coming back again. Now it's going up again. Let's see. Don't expect the markets to push the button and move in our direction, guys. Absolutely no way for this to happen. So usually the markets break our nerves, but you must always keep calm and enjoy what you do. So I'm patiently waiting. I mean, what else can I do? As soon as you push the button, there is no coming back. You need either enjoy the profits or suffer the consequences if you are wrong. So I'm patiently waiting for the dollar CHF to break to the upside. As you can see here, a minor support level there at 98.90. I don't believe that's the high of the day. We will definitely see dollar CHF higher levels. As I said, moving average consensus indicates a bullish trend. Signals on MACD and RSI indicate a very strong bullish momentum, and indeed today was a very strong bullish momentum on dollar CHF, so I see no reason why not to see that break coming live and hitting our TPs, but we need to be patient on that. So that's all I have for the moment. In 3 minutes the ISM non-manufacturing index results will be out for the United States dollar, and I believe that that will be the triggering price, the triggering news announcements that will most probably turn these positions to our favor. So I'm patiently waiting for 2-3 more minutes to see the impact of the ISM non-manufacturing index PMI, ISM non-manufacturing PMI for the month of September of the United States dollar. Expectations 58.0 versus the actual previous month figure 58.5. So I'm patiently waiting. Elif, you have any updates? Okay, guys, stay with us. We are still live, and let's see how the trades will develop. If you have any questions, contact us via the chat room. I will stay here live for 5 to 7 more minutes. So we are monitoring the pairs. We have a small rebound now. Don't forget, a final reminder that for this week, by the end of this week, Trademy offers all of its training programs at a 10% discount. So for those of you who would like to enroll in any of our training programs, you will enjoy a 10% discount. So great news, guys, for you. Take this advantage, and most importantly, arrange a one-to-one session with us in order to show you the secrets of trading, how to design trading strategies, how to become profitable traders from people that have more than 10 and 15 years of experience in trading the financial markets. So one-to-one sessions, you can arrange them using your account managers. So if you would like to have a one-to-one session, either with myself, Kyriakos, or with my colleague Elif, contact your personal account manager at Trademy.com, and we will arrange a one-to-one session with you guys. So we are monitoring the news. The news will be out in approximately 1 minute from now. Bloomberg also, as you can see, is getting ready for the news announcements. ISM non-manufacturing is coming out in approximately 1 minute from now. Let's switch our charts to euro dollar. Let's switch to the 1 minute chart. I'm expecting volatility on this news announcement. It's the last important announcement for today. And let's see if we will get there. That's our take profit. It was touched but not triggered because we are short. Remember that the charts are indicating bid prices. Short positions are closed on ask prices. There we go. We have some volatility already. ISM non-manufacturing is on the way. Expected figure 58.0. Let's see what the actual figure is. We are monitoring the 1 minute chart of Euro USD. There we go. The figure is out any minute now. We see an opposite movement on Euro dollar for the moment. ISM manufacturing, PMI. Let's check, guys. Let's check London. All right, there we go, guys. There we go. It came much better than expected. Instead of 58.0, it came out at 61.6. Now is the time for the euro dollar to drop. Much better than expected news. But sometimes the forex market does not follow the news announcements. So much better than expected. There we go, guys. We are getting there. We are getting there. It's going crazy now. You see a lot of volatility on the account of profits, on the value of profits below. Look at that. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. There we go. Some volatility is observed. Dollar yen is making a real nice rally to the upside. Euro dollar is now going up. Let's wait a bit more. So I repeat, much better than expected results for the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. There we go. Now it's falling. There we go. Few more pips. And we will get there, guys. Guys, look at euro yen. Look at dollar yen, basically. Dollar yen is climbing, guys. Dollar yen is rallying to the upside. Look at that. We are approaching $15,000 now from our long position. We have already covered our losing trades. $15,600 now on dollar yen. That's nice. That's nice. It's getting up, guys, as expected. Is breaking to the upside. Now is facing the 114 level. $16,500 now from our long position on dollar yen, guys. So let's get $17,000 now. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see. Currently our net positions are profiting $4,000. That's okay. We have just closed our euro dollar position, increasing our profits to 6,500 for the day. Let's see, guys. It seems that towards the end of the session, we will eventually increase our profitability. Dollar yen now is making a small pullback. However, I'm getting ready to hit TPs also on euro yen and dollar CHF. We have just closed our positions on euro dollar, increasing our profits to a bit more than $6,500. Wow, a really exciting moment now here. Let's see how they will develop. They start to calm down. I mean, the long position of dollar yen is in the money now, currently making us around $17,000, almost $17,000, more than $17,000 now. We are getting ready to hit TPs on all of our positions. Let's see, guys, dollar CHF is doing great as well. Just 4 pips away from the take profit price. Just 4 pips. That's the 1 minute chart of dollar CHF. We are getting there, guys. Look at that. I like what I see now. We are winning overall now extra almost $5,000. Let's see. We are getting ready. I like these colors. I like these colors a lot, guys. $20,000 from our long position on dollar yen. $20,000. We have broken above the 114 level. So let's see, guys. Elif, you have update?
I closed the USA 100 positions to the profit.
Good.
Just in case it's not
Okay, guys, you know what? I decided that I will close all my positions and take the profits. So 3,000 profits, 3,000 profits. I'm closing all the positions. It's enough for the day, guys. So I'm closing all the positions. I don't want to keep any more positions running. So it's enough. I'm closing also dollar CHF. Let's see, guys. Let's see. And guys, we have squared all of our positions and we have managed to realize today $9,295. All intraday positions, a very good result. I'm very satisfied with this result. $9,295 for today. Not bad at all. Thank you very much, guys. On behalf of Elif and myself, I hope you have enjoyed the show. Look at this $20,000 trade here. We had a lot of profitable positions. It seems that all the action was towards the end. We have just liquidated all of our Forex positions, $9,295. I hope you have enjoyed. Join us again tomorrow at 8 a.m. UTC time. Definitely more profits are coming. Thank you very much for watching us. On behalf of myself and Elif, we would like to wish you a nice evening ahead. Enjoy the football match today, great Champions League games, and let's hope that Liverpool will win. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.